In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat with Meta AI on WhatsApp, whether you're looking to ask questions, seek assistance, or just experiment with generating images. Interacting with Meta AI on WhatsApp can be both intriguing and useful. Before we dive into the steps, let's ensure you're all set to go. First things first, make sure that your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version on your phone. This step is crucial because you'll want all the latest features, including the ability to access Meta AI seamlessly. So if you're not updated yet, head over to your App Store and do so before moving on. Now that we're up to date, open your WhatsApp. If you're using an Android device, you'll notice the Meta AI icon as a rainbow or purple blue circle located at the bottom right of your chat list screen, just above the new chat icon. For iOS users, you'll find the icon at the top right next to the camera icon. This is your gateway to chatting with Meta AI. Once you spot that icon, go ahead and tap on it. At this point, you'll most likely be prompted to read and accept Meta AI's terms and conditions. This step is pretty standard with most new features, so take a moment to read through if you can, and then hit accept to proceed. After you've accepted the terms, you're all set to start chatting with Meta AI as you would with any other contact. Feel free to ask questions or request help with any information you need. One of the exciting features here is the ability to generate images. Simply type imagine followed by your prompt. This command is powerful and lets you explore creative possibilities right from your WhatsApp. If you're part of a group chat and want to use Meta AI there, it's just as easy. You'll type @Meta AI followed by your prompt in the group chat or just select it from the @mention list. Meta AI will then reply directly in the group, making it a convenient tool for within-group assistance or fun. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to start your journey with Meta AI on WhatsApp. By integrating AI into your communication app, you open up a whole new world of possibilities, from handling day-to-day queries to diving into playful image generation. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.